Good morning, students. Today we have random variables. Topic is random variable. A random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of random experiment. It is a real valued function and its domain is sample space of random experiment. For example, to clear it, let we see tossing a coin. Now sample space is head 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 tail tail head tail tail. Now let we have x is the number of head obtained. Now we will check that whether x is a random variable. So x is head obtained means probability, or you can say number of head. If they are 2 times, then it is 2. If it is x, number of head is 1 time, then 1. th 1, tt there is no head, 0. Similarly, you can check for a variable y is number of head minus number of tails. We will suppose that y is the subtraction of head and tail. Now if there are 2 heads, then 2 minus 0, 2. 1 head 1 tail means head minus tail, 1 minus 1, 0. Tail head, एक बार tail एक बार head, so 1 minus 1 again 0. 2 tails, head no head means 0 minus 2 minus 2. So x and y here are different random variable. Randomly I have picked up them. Now probability distribution of random variable. Suppose you are having x variable x1, x2 and so on xn. Then p x will be p1, p2, p3 and so on pn, where pi, this one, lies from 0 to 1. It is greater than 0, नेगेटिव नहीं होगी, but it can be less than 1 or equal to 1 for I is equal to 1 to n, and sum of all these probability distribution is 1. Let we again have a look on the deleted portion that we discussed in day 7, mean and variance of random variable, binomial probability distribution. Mean and variance of random variable is deleted, so we are just having a random variable. Exercise 13.4, which we are going to start, question number 10 to 17 are deleted, and exercise 13.5 is also deleted. So let we have exercise 13.4, question number 2nd. The question is, an urn contains 5 red and 2 black balls. 2 balls are randomly drawn. Let x represent the number of black balls. What is the possible value of x, and is x is a random variable? Let we see the solution. Now we are having the 2 balls which are selected B. I will suppose B, black black, black red, red black, red red, and x represents the number of black balls. X represents the number of black balls. Then ब्लैक ब्लैक दो निकाल लिए, अगर दोनों ही ब्लैक हैं तो 2. ब्लैक रेड, एक ब्लैक आ गई 1, एक ब्लैक आ गई 1, दोनों रेड आई 0. So all the possible values of x will be 0, 1, 2. So therefore x is a random variable. Let we have next question. The question number 5. Find the probability of distribution number of successes in 2 tosses of a die, where the success is defined as die को 2 tosses of a die 2 बार किया है. पहली सक्सेस तब उसको गिनते हैं जब when it is number is greater than 4, and second when 6 appear on at least one die. 6 appear on at least one die. Now we will discuss the first case, the number greater than 4. Now when the die is tossed, the two when the die is tossed when the die is tossed there are when a die is tossed two times, the total possible outcomes are 36, and x is a random variable which represent the number of successes. Now success जो सक्सेस है उसका फर्स्ट कंडीशन उन्होंने दी है द नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4. सो नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4 विल बी 5 and 6. सो इफ x इज ज़ीरो मीन्स सक्सेस नहीं है, तो नंबर जो है वो 1 आया, 2 आया, 3 आया, 4 आया, चारों में से कोई भी आया पहली बार 4/6. देन अगेन 4/6 दूसरी बार किया तो 4/6, आंसर इज 4/9. नाउ इफ x is 1, number less than equal to 4 on first toss, and number greater than 4 on second toss, plus probability of number greater than 4 on first and number less than equal to 4 on second, probability of number less than 4 less than or equal to 4/6, नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4 दो ही हैं 5 और 6 2/6, प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4 वही 5 and 6 2/6, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नंबर लेस देन इक्वल टू 4/6. when you calculate this is 4/9. Now third case is when x is variable is 2. x is 2, it means number is greater than on both the tosses. तो पहली टॉस में 2/6, सेकंड में 2/6, so answer is 1/9. So probability distribution will be, if x is 0 we have calculated it is 4/9, if x is 1 it is again 4/9, if x is 2 it is 1/9. Next is question number 7. A coin is biased so that the head is 3 times are likely to occur as tail. Means अगर tail एक बार आ रही है तो head 3 बार आएगा. If the coin is tossed twice, 2 बार उसको toss किया है, find the probability that the distribution of number of tails. Probability distribution of number of tails निकालना है. Let me see the solution. Let the probability of getting a tail be x, probability of tail be x, then probability of head will be 3 times 3x, and we know that the sum of probabilities is 1, so pt plus ph is 1. When we add calculated x is 1/4, so it means if probability of tail is 1/4, then the probability of head will be 3/4. Now when the coin is tossed twice, the sample space will be head head tail 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 head head tail. Now let small x be variable, random variable which represents the number of tails.